Hey, I'm meteorologist Doug Myers with the latest look at your forecast, and here we go. Here's the heat that we had from yesterday. My goodness, it got up to 108 in Manhattan, 102 in Topeka. Again, keep in mind that the reason why it got up to 108 in Manhattan is because there was less humidity out there compared to other areas, and of course, the cloud cover really helped Lawrence, Marysville, and Kansas City stay in the 90s with a lot more sun for the rest of northeast Kansas. So, as far as Topeka is concerned, that put us at the fourth day this year with highs in the triple digits, and the 34th day with highs at least in the 90s. I do have to include the triple digits in the 90s just to give you an idea of how hot it has been for the area. So I can put in the averages, because when you put in the average, that means it's 90 degrees or hotter. I can't just say what's the average between 90 and 99, or average number of days between 90 and 99. I can't do that with the data. And so I have to include the triple digits in the 90s. So that was the 34th day, or the 14th day this month at the high at least 90 degrees. We'll do it again today. A little bit of cloud cover this morning, but generally clearing out. I will mention that we are keeping an eye on records today. The record for the warmest low temperature is 82. From 1936, so we'll keep an eye on that for this morning. And then also, the record for this afternoon from 1936 is 107, so we'll be awfully close to that. We'll keep an eye on that for today, and there still may be a few upper 90s in extreme northeast Kansas, but most spots will be in the triple digits for today. Heat index values could be up to 110. So, the question is, how quickly will the clouds clear out? This model has the clouds clearing out by about midday, leaving us with sunny skies for the remainder of the afternoon. This model has a lot more sun already by 8 o'clock, so we may be able to just kind of meet in the middle ground with a little bit of cloud cover early this morning, but still generally mostly sunny for much of the day. We continue to monitor overnight storm systems across the Central Plains, probably going to bring cloud cover to our area over these next couple of nights, lingering into the morning hours, but there's a chance of a few sprinkles or brief light rain shower. You notice that at midnight, north central Kansas, getting some rain north of Hayes there, but it weakens and doesn't really make it into our area. But the clouds do, and you can see in the morning some clouds, but by the afternoon, mostly sunny skies. We'll do it again on Thursday night with some clouds coming in late. Some rain within the clouds, mainly out to our west, but diminishing once it comes into our area, showing maybe a few sprinkles late Friday morning into the early afternoon hours, but nothing that's going to be very heavy or widespread or impactful. So I'm going to keep it officially dry in the forecast, and you can see mostly sunny skies by 4 o'clock. So what you just saw there was the graph computer model at the top left. Not much as far as rain is concerned. Nothing with the European. The GFS and the NAM show at least some rainfall, but still less than 1/10 of an inch. So right now, that is the reason why I don't have any official rain in the forecast, not only through Friday morning, but for the entire 8 days. Here's why. The European, even what rain we do get, is not going to be very heavy, and when this is going to happen is a little bit uncertain, so I can't really pinpoint an exact time frame where we actually could get some of this rain. Now, the GFS has been a little bit more consistent in bringing a little bit heavier rainfall to the area. Still not widespread heavy rain, but at least more so than what the European has recently over the last couple days. Again, my confidence is low on when the rain chances are going to occur, so I'm just not comfortable putting in a rain chance in the 8 day right now. I am very confident on the heat. Highs in the triple digits pretty much every day. If we don't make it in the triple digits, we'll be in the upper 90s and lows in the 70s and even 80s. Pretty high confidence that that's going to be the weather pattern through next Wednesday. And looking at the probability of what are the normal conditions as we get into the second, well, I guess it's still the first week of August, the 2nd through the 8th. And probability of above normal temperatures continuing. Although, if we do get that rain, and one of our long-term models, which there's only one that really goes out farther than Wednesday, it does indicate that we do start to cool down as we head towards the end of next week into next weekend. Not going to be quite as hot. Still may be hot, but not quite as hot as the triple digits. Maybe more in the 90s and maybe even some 80s, especially if we can get rain chances in the area. So good news. I really think we just have to get through these next 8 days. Beyond that, cooler weather is expected to be on the way, at least from what the model has right now. Obviously, that could change. But right now, we have 8 days worth of pretty good chance of triple digits. And again, humidity not bad. Humidity will still make it up to around 110. A few spots for a very short period of time could be between 110 and 113 for a heat index over these next 8 days. But I think 110 is probably going to be about the max for most areas.